Just want to walk you down. This was how I lost the $53 I made in 5 minutes of New York session, and then how I got back even more in just a breakdown. And so I want to first give you context. Watch the 5.5 minutes for $50 video, or 50 and 5 minute video, and that will break down how I decided to take the trade there. But this one, really simple. Consolidation, uptrend. Okay, I'm like, okay, it's a strong bearish move. Let me put a trade in. So that's what I did. Put a trade in. Stop loss at orb. And remember, I'm looking at my real-time data on my broker with real-time price action, real-time volume indicator. So I'm seeing price action real-time, and you're seeing it 5 seconds delayed on TradingView. And so we're trading on TradingView through, we're trading on TradingView to TradeStation through TradeStation. So through TradingView to TradeStation, sorry. And so boom, into the trade stop loss at orb. I'm like, yeah, I'd rather take the L here with $12 and hit the stop loss at 25 basically, and then be half in. So that's what I did. Ended up breaking way below. And I'm like, okay, strong bearish candle push down. This is going to tank. Touched past orb, past pre-market highs, previous pre-market highs. This thing's going to dump. Doesn't dump. Stop loss at previous wicks. Touches stop loss. Stopped out. So now I'm -7. Okay. Watch this thing consolidate for a minute. I'm like, okay, it finally touched pre-market highs. Yeah, I feel like this thing is going to go. It's going to push. Everything's telling me it's still in the uptrend. I was just wrong about the downtrend. Failed bearish move, strong bullish move. That's what it was. Stop loss at orb. Then stop loss at break even. It continues to push, but then the candle wasn't a higher high, and so I'm like, yeah, I'd rather take my profit than to stay in this thing and watch it dump again. And I took my profit, and it dumps, and then I'm like, okay, it touched a level here, 3 touch points, 1, 2, 3. It's probably going to dump even lower, at least to our cyan teal color, which is our current pre-market highs of the day. And so that's what I'm looking for. Mental note: drops down, touches, and then drops down completely. Strong candle. I'm like, this is really good. Break even, stop loss. There's no L's here. So this is a runner. I'm gradually moving the stop loss to market structure areas, which this one was pre-market highs, current pre-market highs. This is where the stop loss is, profiting at $10.50. That's realized as long as I don't move it. Drops down, creates another zoning area, level area. I move my stop loss down to that area. Drops down, back into orb, touch back into orb, strong push past orb and towards our previous pre-market highs, or this looks like previous pre-market lows actually. And so, or it might be highs, but it's our previous pre-market of the other day. And so it rejects, it wicks. I see 2, 3 wicks in the zone, and on it I'm like, yeah, I'd rather take my $59.50 profit, my $60 profit, than for this to retrace, and I only get $22 for the trade. And so that's what I do. Take that profit at $60, and it touches the previous pre-market level, and then it continues to tank even more. So obviously if I stayed in the trade, I would have made way more than what I made. So it would have been probably like $80 at currently, and then maybe a little bit more, probably been like 100 plus where we're at right now. But it's okay. We get another bearish indicator. It's going back down. It's going to touch at least to our orb midline, which is our level in white, and we wait, and it touches our orb midline in white. So we move our stop loss down to a area where I think if it won't reject to, but if it does reject to, then it's going to reverse. Then I do the same. And what does this turn out? What does this turn out to be? $44, $50 here. I saw that green candle. And remember, I'm watching this on a real-time data from my broker, from TradeStation. I'm watching it from my broker, real-time data, real-time volume indicator. It looked like it was going to reverse, so I'd rather take my profit at 51 and realized it is $122 for the day, and it continued to go down. Actually, this trade continued to tank way past orb. If I would have stayed in this trade, it retraced a little bit close past midline and then back up into orb. But if I would have stayed in this trade until the entire day, I would have been up maybe 1,000, close to like 800 something dollars. And so this was a really good trade. Just wanted to break that down to you. There is a subconscious mental thing that us traders can't necessarily explain. We just know off of experience. And so I hope this gives you like some insight into my mindset and what I'm thinking and how I'm thinking, and just overall trading analysis. Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a nice day.